So we did yesterday about the dividing a line segment when ratios are given. Yes. So we'll do one question, okay, for more clarity, and then we'll learn something new. So the first question is draw a line segment. नहीं, मैं खा के ऐसे परांठा और सब्जी. Draw a line segment. 1 centimeter. Hmm. Okay, this is the question. Everyone turn on your camera. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Agatha, Christina, David, Miraculin. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Yeah.
Problem, but I will
So,
turn on my camera. I have to show my diagram.
sorry.
I have internet problem. I will turn on my
Okay, okay.
camera if I have to show my diagram.
Okay, okay. Perfect, 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 perfect. No problem. Okay, so we have first is draw a line segment 8 centimeter. So we have a line segment 8 centimeter like this. Okay, and this is a line segment 8 centimeter, which is A and B. Okay, it's how much? 8 centimeter. And then divides them in the 3 is to 5 ratio. So P is the point which divides them into 3 and 5 ratio. Got it? Say yes or no? Okay. So now you have to draw it. So can you draw it or you want my help? You try to draw it. And if you're stuck in some place, then I'll help. Got it? Itaka. Ima Papa. Yes, guys. So, Miracle, what is the first step? What is the first step, Miracle?
Yeah, like
Draw a line segment.
draw line segment. Name it as AB. Then draw acute angle of the segment from A.
So, first is draw line segment AB. How much? How much centimeter?
8 centimeter.
Yes, you have to say like that. And then draw an acute angle ray. Name it as. Name it as what? Z. AZ.
Z.
Next step. Could you tell me?
So like then open the compass of any measurement. Make 8 equal points on AC.
So it will be named as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, and A8. Everyone got my point? Okay. Done? Yes or no?
So can I do that?
Yes, do it, do it. Christina, you stuck somewhere? Ask me.
No, I'm not stuck. It's just some internet problem. I'm not able to see the board.
Okay, just give me a second. Now can you see that?
Slightly blur, sir. Should I just rejoin?
या रीजन रीजन डेविड इन्होंने कैमरा बेटा हाँ हाँ ये तो सेंटा क्लॉज है मुझे आ गई
क्यों आई स्कूल क्यों आई है? माँ बेटी को दुख नहीं पड़ा घर में क्यों आई दोनों क्यों आई तुम दोनों देख मम्मी क्या की नम नम दे रहे हैं प्यार का अरे मैंने भी 4 बार बैठ के
ओके डन टिल here done everyone now what you have to do we have to join this b and a at b and a at now what we have to do we have to miracle what is the next step please tell me
अच्छा
turn on the camera
ये पॉइंट
yes miracle what is the next step you're mute you're mute you're mute you're mute Hmm.
Open the compass of any centimeter such that AC ray, like Y point, will make an arc.
Putting where putting at a8 okay so put your needle at a8 open a compass and name them as what x and y
Y.
okay now next
Next, without disturbing your compass, put your needle on A3, make an arc such that the point M should be on ACR.
az ray so this is the point now what to do
Measure X and Y.
measure x and y so this is x this is y measure then
Without disturbing your compass, put your needle on M, make an arc, make an arc, and join A3 and B.
so then join a3m and p point so what is the answer this is p point such that it is divided into 3 is to 5 is to now measure it and tell me what is the answer
हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी क्यों ले लो एनवायरमेंटल साइंस और ही थी ना हिस्ट्री पता ना
what is the answer you're getting guys
सीरियस अरे वो क्यों ले रहे हो एक बार मुझे प्रूफ भी बताओ
खट्टा भी होगा पूरा पूरा दबा देगी
ये था ग्रुप ए में एक और ले लो
yeah correct agatha agatha you have to write the steps of construction also okay not now but when I will give the homework you have to write it down okay miracle christina david any problem ask me beta
No, sir, I'm just
मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन यू कैन टेक वन
So what should we find now? We have to find n.
we have to find what
Yeah, like what should we find now?
like we have to measure like we got this construction and then we have to measure ap and then pb
Of 8 centimeter, right?
yeah so this ab is 8 centimeter we got the point p on the line segment ab then we have to measure ap and pb and find it out how much centimeter is this tomorrow is the doubt class Agatha. Yes miracle
like when we are making the arc, like we can open the compass of any centimeter, putting the point on A now.
a where
Like putting the point on A and opening the compass of any centimeter and making an arc.
when you're putting your needle on a8 you're saying.
Okay, yeah.
When you're putting your compass on AA, you are which steps you are saying? The second step in which you are making the acute angle this R A1, A2,
Yeah.
A3, A4, A5. Yeah, in that also you can take any measurement size. But if you're taking like this much is as A1, then don't disturb. Like A1, A2, A3, these should be equal. Got it?
अच्छा ये ऐसा वाला है ना पॉलिटिकल ये रिलेटेड है ना ये इसीलिए हिस्ट्री सोशियोलॉजी मैं खुद ऐसे ही देखती
Done everyone?
छह ले सकते हो पांच का ही रिजल्ट आएगा पांच ही बस छह से सात ले सकते
Everyone done? Christina, Agatha, David, done? Shall we move for? Shall we do the next topic?
क्या कर रहे हो और कितने ले रहे हो
Agatha, Christina, David, Miracle, ask me, beta. Christina, done? How much centimeter you got, AP?
एक कंप्यूटर दे बेसिक
Sir,
कंप्यूटर यूज चाहिए
for A, I got 3 centimeter only.
A to P, AP.
Yeah, 3 centimeter.
And then PB?
I got 5 point, but I just reduced it a bit.
हाँ
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so now,
कितने लिए
now everyone please pay attention. Please pay attention. Turn on the camera now. Christina, David, if it is possible. David, are you there? David, can you hear me, David? Hello. Is he there? Yes, no. Okay, next is drawing. Draw a perpendicular bisector. Now, if the question comes that you have to draw a perpendicular bisector, then how will you make a perpendicular bisector? First of all, we'll understand what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector. See, perpendicular means 90 degree and bisector means into equal halves. Into equal halves. Perpendicular means 90 degree and bisector means into equal halves. When we are dividing them and when we are making it into equal half, it is called as perpendicular bisector. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? See, the thing is, for example, if we have this line segment AB, which is 6 centimeter. Okay, now I am making another line segment name as PQ such that this is 90 degree also and that divide AB line segment into two equal parts which is 3 and 3 centimeter. Are you getting my point? This shows that PQ or we can say this PM is perpendicular bisector of line segment AB, which means that it divides it into two equal halves also and makes 90 degree with the line. Are you getting my point? No. Nobody understood? What is perpendicular bisector? A perpendicular bisector is the line which divides the base into two equal halves as well as making 90 degree with the base. Got it, everyone? Can you write it down, the definition of perpendicular bisector? Everyone write it down. Write it down. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Then after that write it. It is a line. It is a line. Or it is a line. It is a line which divides the base. Which divides the base into two equal halves into two equal half as well as makes 90 degree with the base. Makes 90 degree with the base. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Agatha, Christina, understood? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay, perfect. So now how will you solve this? So for example, I'll make one question. Draw a line segment 7.5 centimeter and make perpendicular bisector. Make what? Perpendicular bisector. Draw a line segment 7.5 centimeter and make perpendicular bisector. So for example, we have one line such that this one is A and this one is B, A and this one is B, and you have to draw it for 7.5 centimeter. Understood, everyone? Understood? Now, how will you draw this? So, till here, do it. Everyone, draw a line segment AB and name it as 7.5 centimeter.
So this is the rough diagram, right?
Oh, yes. Thank you for reminding me. You have to make a rough diagram. So, rough diagram I am making. This is AB and this is 7.5 centimeter, and this is a line such that it divides them into two equal. I will name that as P, this one is Q, and this one is M. Got it, everyone? Now, with the real diagram, you have to draw a line segment AB, which is 7.5 centimeter. Quickly draw this. Done? Done, everyone? David, Agatha, Jashram. Okay. Now, put your needle on A. Put your needle on A and open more than half. Any measurement you can take, but it should be more than half, not less than or equals to half. Means this is the half part, no? If you will put your pencil, this will be the half part. Like open more than half. Like you can open till here. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Put your needle on A, open more than half, like till here. Got it? My point, everyone? Hmm? Now, don't disturb the compass when you open it. Make an arc up and down. Make an arc up and down. It's gonna be look like this. Got it, everyone? Miraculin, you got it? Agatha, Christina,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Hmm? Now, now, without disturbing the compass, you don't have to disturb the compass. Put it on the needle B, and make up and down like this. Miraculin, are you drawing this?
Yes, sir.
Quickly draw it, better. Yes, David. David, are you there or in the space? Okay. So you are doing now.
Yes, sir.
Now, now join this line.
So like first we have to put the point on A and make like more than half we have to of any
Yeah.
measurement.
So put the needle on A, open more than half, make arc up and down like this. Then on B, make arc up and down without disturbing the compass. On B, make arc up and down. So you will get this point. Here is the this thing. So this will be P, this will be Q, and this point will be M. So when you will put D, the protector, you know now how to put the protector, guys? You know, Miracle? You know
Yes,
how to put a protector? To
yes.
put the protector, you will find it out that this is 90 degree, and as well as this will be how much? 3.25. No, 3.75. My bad. 3.75. This will be 3.75 and this will be 3.75. Check it and tell me, is it correct or not?
So for me, the diagram in the diagram, the like the arcs are not intercrossing, but
Show it to me. Show it to me on camera. I'll check. I'll check. Hmm. Yeah. So extend the A1 na. See the B1 going like this, and A1 is still here. So if you will extend it, you will get the. Got it? My point. Without disturbing the compass, the compass should not be disturbed. If you take a measurement, then in the B measurement also be same. And if it is not meeting, then you have to extend the arc so that they can cut each other. Got my point? No.
got it, sir, got it, sir.
Okay. Agatha, Christina, done. Did you understand?
I think I did a small mistake in my diagram. I have to draw it again.
Okay. And Christina, what about you?
Same, sir.
Okay. Don't disturb the compass. When you take a measurement which is more than the half, then when you are putting on B, then don't disturb the compass. If you disturb the compass, the this will disturb your marks. Done? Yes, David. Done, beta?
Yes, sir.
So you're getting same 3.5.
A bit over 3.5, sir.
I mean 3.75, na? It should be 3.75. Everyone done? Shall we move to the next topic?
Yes, sir. It's 90 degrees. So, yeah.
90 degree, and this should be 3.75.
Okay, the measurement.
Okay. Now put a new topic, drawing a angle bisector. Drawing a angle bisector. Now what is an angle? Angle is normally angle which any angle 90 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, and bisector means into two equal half. Into two equal halves. So what does this mean? This means that how will you draw an angle bisector which divides the angle into two equal halves? Okay, so for example, if I will make one diagram for you, for example, this is 60 degree. Okay, name is as AOB, which is 60 degree. Yes, who's
Getting
saying
three.
something?
I'm getting 3.8 as the measurement.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so this is AOB, which is 60 degree. Now, what angle bisector will do? Angle bisector will divide it into two equal half. Okay, such that this is M, this is N, such that this will be 30 degree and this will also be 30 degree. Everyone got my point? So how will you solve this? How will you solve this? So first of all, we will make 60 degree with the help of protector. Okay, how will you make it? So first of all, make a line, any segment, because it's not mentioned. So first write the question. Draw the angle bisector. Draw the angle bisector of 70 degree. 70 degree. Okay. How will you draw this? So first make a line like this of any centimeter. Okay.
Like rough or with a scale, sir?
Yeah, first with the rough. First with the rough. Sorry. Thank you for reminding me again. So first I will make a rough diagram. You can take any, like you know that 70 degree is coming between 0 and 90. So it is an acute angle. So obviously this will be the 70 degree, and the angle bisector line you have to draw like this, such that this is A, this is O, this is B, this is M, and this is N, such that this will be the rough diagram. Now, how will you draw this? So you can make any angle, any line segment, okay, name that is O and B. Because in your rough diagram, this is OB, na? That is why we are making OB. Everyone got this point? Now, listen guys. Now, how to make a 70 degree with the help of D or the protector? Everyone, show me a protector. Show me a protector. Okay. So in the protector, there will be a line, the baseline. Okay, the baseline. So try to align that baseline with the line. Okay, try to align that baseline with the line. Okay, so the baseline of that, it's I'm not about talking about the scale. The black line is there. In your D, there is a back line. It is called as baseline. You have to align it with this so that you cannot see your pencil line. Everyone got this? No. Miracle? Got it? Now, many students get confused that, sir, from where we have to start? From the left side, 0, 10, 20, like that, or from the right side, 0, 10, 20? So, I would like to ask this question from you guys, that our line is on which side? Right side or left side? Like you put the uh, D on this, okay? So your line on right side or left side? Tell me.
Left side.
No. You put your protector here. You align it. Okay. So the line, this B, on right side of that or left side of that?
Right.
Right side. No. Can you check it, Miracle? No.
Yes.
You didn't
Yes.
understand.
I understand.
So if it is on the right side, then you have to start from 0, from the right side. Everyone got this? No. Bitya? Okay. Now don't make it right now. I'm telling one more thing. Now, show me a protector again. Show me a protector again. Okay. So, like in Miraculous one, there is that baseline, and in that there's some sun type drawing is there. No, that sun makes plus like this. Are you getting that? No? Sure. Let me download the protected image. What's your name? You. So for example, this is my protector. David, how will I use this now?
So, I didn't understand what you meant by that.
Like this. Can you see? My line is now aligned like this. Huh? Agatha, Miraculin, Christina. So what I'm talking about, this plus line. I'm talking about this plus line. This plus line should be on your O tip. Okay. Like some students do like this. They align it, but they will write it like this. No, it's not correct. This plus line should be at O. So it's gonna be look like this. Like this. Got it? Now, what I'm trying to say that this B point is on my right side. So it means that we have to take this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. Okay. Now, for example, if I will take this protector if I will put it on the like this on B point, and now if I'm making the diagram, then the O side, the line side is on my left side. So we have to take now this 0 to 10 like. Got my point, everyone? Any confusion? Agatha, Petya, Jashron? No confusion, na? There are twos are there. Where is your line? Your line is on the left side, then you have to take this 0. Okay. And if your line is on the right side, like this diagram, then you have to take on the this side. This this 0. Okay. Now mark 70 degrees. So how will you mark it? So you can put your pencil here. So you can see this is 70 degree. Yes or no? Then join this thing. Can you see this technology? David, is this zoom nice or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this 70 degree? Let me check on my time. Perfect 70. Okay. Everyone got this? Did you make 70 degree? And then name this point as A. Now how will you make a perpendicular bisector? So everyone please pay attention. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Now you guys have to put the needle. Put the needle on O. Put the needle on O, everyone. Yes, David.
So,
Hmm.
um, how is the perpendicular bisector?
You didn't understand perpendicular bisector?
Wait, it's an angle bisector, right?
Yeah, this one is angle bisector. And that one was perpendicular bisector.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Now put your needle on O and make an arc like this of any measurement. It's your choice. You can make an arc like this. I'm making a circle because now I'm playing with this team, but you guys don't have to do it. Now, how will I remove this? I can't use this. Okay, fine. I will not play. Sorry. Okay, so make an arc like this, everyone, and name them as X and Y.
So,
Yes?
do we put next? Do we have to put the needle on X and Y and draw another arc?
Say it again loudly.
Do we have to put the next step? We have to put the needle on X and Y and like draw another arc, right?
No, 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 no.
No.
No need. No. Okay, done? Everyone done? Now measure X and Y. Measure X and Y. Measure X and Y. And then draw an arc, putting the needle on Y and draw an arc like this. Okay?
So that's what I said.
Yeah. So first measuring is the problem, no? Like you have to measure. Okay? So measure X and Y. Everyone done? Do you have any confusion, Agatha? Miracle. Yes, Miracle.
Measuring X and Y with compass or
This X and Y. X and Y with this compass. Put your needle on O, open a compass, and draw X and Y.
no, like measuring X and
Measuring an XY with the compass. Put your needle on Y, open it till X, then you get the measurement. Then put your needle on Y only, and then make an arc like this. Did you listen, Bitya, Jashram, Agatha? Hmm? So
Yes.
it's gonna be look like this. It's gonna be look like this. Like this. Then, without disturbing the compass, put it on X and then draw it like this. Without disturbing the compass, put your compass on X and then draw the line this. Then join this line. Okay. Got it, everyone? So now put the D again and check how much degree you make. Wow, yeah. I'm very talented guy. So I am here getting 37. Okay, so you guys should get 35. Now, how will I correct this? So I have Zoom technology with you. like this. Everyone understood? So you guys can see as my talent, I make also 35 degree. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. Miraculin?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. So now I will write the questions.
Homework question, sir?
Yes, homework question. These are the homework questions. Okay. These are the homework questions. David wants more. David, not saying something. He means more.
No, no,
Huh?
no.
Yes. I'm hearing yes. Okay, guys. So now come back in 1 minute. We'll start the science class. Come back in 1 minute. Till then, bye, Joshon. We'll meet tomorrow in the same time.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys, come back, come back. We'll start the class. So yesterday we learned about which eye defects. Nidhi, good morning. Turn on the camera, everyone. Agatha, Christina, David, Joshua, Bethia, turn on the camera. We'll start the class. So yesterday we learned about the which eye myopic eye. Yes. Okay. And we wrote about the myopic eye also. Today we'll start. Today we'll start hypermetropic. Hypermetropic eye. Hypermetropic will be. It's hypermetropic eye, which is also called as long sightedness, long sightedness, or we can say that it is also called as far sightedness. So we can from the word itself we can say that sightedness on far means they can see far object clearly, but near object means reading a book, they have a problem in that. Okay, so that defect is called as hypermetropica. Which eye, beta? Hypermetropica. So for a normal human eye gonna be look like this. Again to my master class come. Okay, so this is a normal human eye. Okay, it's not like alien. Okay, so now they have a problem in near eye, no, near point. So in the myopic eye, we wrote at here, there, far point, no, because they have a problem in far point. But this is near point, so we'll write as near point, near. So normal eye gonna be look like this, like the near point is there. Okay, near point is there, and they will make an image on the retina. This is a normal, okay, normal eye. But how about this?
Technological.
I'm not making this diagram again. Okay. So I will make normal eye
Yeah,
again.
that's why I said technological.
Yes, yes, technology. David, can you do this?
Sir, give me actual control, then I will.
A very loud voice. Say it again.
Sir, give me actual control, then I will.
Okay. Okay. So this is normal eye. Okay. Now, how will hypermetropic eye will look like? So hyper, mhm, hypermetropic eye. So how will a hypermetropic eye will gonna look like? So this is a near point because they have a problem with the near point. Far point, no problem. So near point. So when they will make an image, so the image gonna be look like, okay. So you guys can see the image is formed behind the retina. Means the converging point which should be on the retina, but now it is not on the retina, it is behind the retina. Okay, so we need a lens which converges that rays before the like where it is right now behind the retina on the retina. So which lens we can use? Tell me. Obviously converging lens only, because that converging lens only it can shift it towards the eye lens. Are you getting my point? Say yes or no. So this is a correction, and the correction part can be done by the converging lens. Are you getting my point? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now when there is a correction point, like for example, there is a near point. Okay. So in that case, it will converges little such that the image again back to the retina. So this is correction lens. Correction lens means they will wear spectacles, and that spectacle is basically made up of convex lens. Okay, and this is correction.
So, sir, our eye is also convex, and we are putting lens also to it.
What happened? Say it again.
So, the lens in our eye is convex. We're
Yeah,
using convex again.
yeah, we have convex lens only in our eyes, but those who have hypermetropic situation means they cannot see the near object clearly. They have to wear convex lens again, so that the image which is behind the retina can come on the retina and become a sharp image. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
convex and convex we make it. So write it down quickly. Make this diagram. Now you guys will make the diagram. And I will see. Make it.
Done, sir.
Done with the right? Okay,
Done.
everyone, write it down. Yes, Joshua. Saying something?
I'm done, sir.
Right.
Sir, you're mute.
Sorry. Second line. Sorry. Okay, write it down. In this defect, in this defect, a person cannot see. In this defect, a person cannot see near object clearly. Near object clearly. In this defect, a person cannot see near object clearly, but can see far object clearly. but can see far object clearly. It is because it is because near point image near point it is because near point image is formed near point image is formed behind the retina. Near point image
Sir, it is because
near point image near point image is formed near point image is formed near point image is formed behind the retina. Behind the retina. Then write it down. For the correction of this defect, for the correction of this defect, for the correction of the defect, we use we use convex lens. We use which lens? Convex lens. We use convex lens so that the image can be formed so that the image can be formed on retina again. So that the image can be formed on retina again. Now write now write presbyopia. Presbyopia. So person with the presbyopia
what a
press presbyopia. I will write it down. I will write it down. Just give me a second. Third one is press presbyopia.
I think in that defect, they cannot see both near and far object clearly.
Yes. Presbyopia means they are blessed with both the defects. One is not enough for them. They are blessed with the both problem. Means they cannot see the far one also and they cannot see the near one. And usually it is developed in the old people. Okay. Old people. Okay. So the person like me, if I have presbyopia disease, I'm not an old person. Usually it happens in old person. Okay. So
So
it's
what
not.
about if an old people have it?
Yeah, old people generally happen, but if a person in a young age also have this type of problem, then he's not blind or he's not
I thought he said
there's no
both
problem with
defects,
it.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. So presbyopia is the defect which is developed in the old people. Okay, generally in old people because they are not able to see the near object as well as far object. Okay. Are you getting my point?
so, sir, technically they're almost blind. That's what you're
Sorry.
trying to say. So technically they're already blind.
Yes. So now they need a correction of both the lens. Means for the far-sightedness, they will use the concave lens. For nearsightedness, they will use convex lens. Means now their specs have both the lens. It's called as bifocal lens. They will have concave lens also as well as convex lens. Got my point? Okay, because they cannot see the far as well as near object both, so they need both lens to correction for the correction, and they have bifocal lens, concave as well as convex lens. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So if I
Yes, sir.
will show you an image of fresh biopia lens, just give me a second.
So when two lenses are used in a specs, what's this called?
Bifocal.
Bifocal.
And
So can we draw the diagram on
in this, there's no diagram for that, but I am. Where is that specs? Mhm. If you will see your grandfather or grandmother's specs, you will find it out there is a cylindrical part is there. Okay. Um, I'm not getting the photo. I'm searching for this. Oh my God. आप प्रेस बायो पे वाले हो ना? आप प्रेस बायो पे हो ना? आपको दूर का भी नहीं दिखता, पास का भी नहीं दिखता ना? दिख है ना? एक बार देना चश्मा आपका. This is very minimal. Okay, so this is not the specs which I'm looking for. See, if you will see the old people specs now, so their specs have this thing. Okay, their specs has this cylindrical part. So they used to like the old people. Like I remember one my teacher, English teacher. Okay, because of her only I can speak English very well. Okay, this English is because of their gift and all. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, when she used to teach us and see from the board, she used to say, do like that, do like that, do like that, and she should do like this. But when she's checking now, she used to do like this. She put the specs like this on the nose, like this. Why I'm speaking with my this thing? I don't know. Okay, and then she do checking like this. So like there is one point here, this point. Okay, there they have a convex lens for a nearsightedness. So they used to like this. Hello, hi, how are you? I like this. Okay, you got my point? Did you understand? So that is called as fresh biopic person's eyes. Okay?
perfect, sister. When you showed us, man, looks so basic.
Yeah. So the old people do like this. Now write it down. Fresh biopia. Fresh biopia.
Sir,
This is a defect. Yes.
um, it's the convex lens areas where okay, when I look at my grandma's glasses, I think I don't know where.
Mm.
See one small circle on the bottom on each lens.
Yes. Yeah. Here. Near about here. So this part, like they have a circle here. So shows that here it is a convex lens and the upper part is the concave lens. Yes, Agatha, you're saying something.
I'm also saying anything.
Ah, you were completing no the sentence. You saying I was saying
Mm.
no. Okay, perfect. Write it down. If a line, sorry, press paper. In this defect, a person cannot see. In this defect, a person cannot see near object as well as far object. Near object as well as far object clearly. A person cannot see near object as well as far objects. Hence, they need bifocal lens. They need bifocal lens for correction. Hence, they need bifocal lens for correction in which, in which convex lens, convex lens is the down of the spectacles and concave lens at the top of the spectacle.
Sir, could you repeat?
Uh,
So it's the down of?
Convex lens is the down of the spectacles and concave lens at the top of the spectacle. Means this top of the spectacle, this downside is convex and the above side is concave. So for normal seeing, like that. But for the this thing, hello, hi, how are you? Like that. Got everyone? Now, now write the next defect. Agatism. Sorry, I am always problem in spelling this. Astigmatism. Yes, correct pronunciation. I am very proud of myself. Astigmatism. Astigmatism. Okay. Yes,
What is
astigmatism.
that, sir?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you what is astigmatism. Wow, what a powerful word. Astigmatism. Okay, so like astigmatism is this situation. Okay. Now in astigmatism, like normally the image is on the retina. But now there is two image is formed, like two part is formed, and that thing looks like blurred. Your vision is correct. Your image is on retina only, not behind or not in front of retina, but two focal points are formed. Because of that, the written word look like a blurred image. Okay, so even if you will use concave lens or convex lens, no, you can't use that. Okay, you need another type of spectacles for that. Are you getting my point? Hmm? They are not able to clarify which one is vertical, which one is horizontal. Means for them, for example, if I am having this pencil here, so they will miss it. If they have lot of astigmatism, they will miss it because they according to them their image is on this side and that side. That is why they need a big specs for the correction. So just write it down. We don't have the correction part. So write it down. It is due to it is due to imperfect. Write it down. Write it down. Petya, don't write it down. Don't think so much. Okay. Due to imperfect spherical nature of eyelids. Christina, you forgot the. You understood?
Yes, sir, I didn't forget. You keep
Uh,
reminding me that, so how can I forget?
yes. Yes. I'm a good teacher. No, that's okay. Write it down.
So can you say the sentence, please?
I'm a good teacher.
No.
No, I'm not good
So
teacher.
no, you.
Again, no. Again, no. I
Let's
mean,
just forget about that right now. Can you say
you
the
you forget that
sentences?
I'm a good teacher.
You
Okay,
are.
Radhika. It is due to imperfect spherical nature of islands. It is due to imperfect spherical nature of islands.
Sir, is it eye lens or eyelids?
No, eye lens, lens. This is lens, no? This eye lens. This eye lens. The focal length of eye lens, the focal length of eye lens is in is in two orthogonal direction. Two orthogonal direction.
To what direction?
Orthogonal.
Orthogonal.
Hmm. This defect in direction, this defect in direction can be corrected by can be corrected by cylindrical length. Can be corrected by cylindrical lenses. So how will cylindrical lenses look like? Let me check.
Um, can be
See,
corrected by symmetrical.
cylindrical,
Yeah,
cylindrical
lens.
lenses. Yeah. So if I will show you the diagram, it's gonna be look like. So these like that's why they have a thick glasses because this is cylindrical lenses they have. Yeah, like for example, normal we are using this one, but this is a cylindrical. Okay. So if you will go for eye checkup, you guys will see two defects. Like for example, if I will go, so they will check my two parts. First spherical lens part and the second one cylindrical lens. Okay, and by the age the cylindrical part get blurred also. So like if you are using TV, mobile, everything, so you can have the spectacles. And right now in the class, those who are using more mobiles, I can see the difference. Okay, so don't use mobile spectacles, especially from Punjab and Rajasthan. I'm saying. Okay, so use less mobile and spectacles so that you can recover your eyes. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Sunny or Shabakher. Sayonara. Tomorrow we'll meet with a new part. Till then, bye.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you.